Hello friends, welcome to Chimlas Automation. In this video, we learn about timers. In timers, we have different timers. These timers are in the set of blocks and coils. As we have blocks, these are total 5 timers and total 5 coils. Coils and timers both are working similar and both are same way. Similarly, previously we learned about set and reset. Set and reset, one is a function block and another one is set of coils. Similarly, here is timers in the blocks and set of coils. There is total 5 timers: S pulse timer, extended pulse timer, on delay, retentive on delay timer, and off delay timer. Here also same coils, purpose is same. We will learn about these 5 timers in the program one by one. Before going to timers, first we will learn about timer addressing, what it is the timer addressing, and how to enter the timing, and what is the maximum timing, and how many timers we can use in S7 programming. This is the syntax of timers. S5T is the Siemens base, and AH is hours, and B minutes, C seconds, and these are milliseconds. For example, here is the time. We can use S5 time hash 4 seconds. In this way we can enter for 4 seconds. If it is 2 hours 15 minutes, S5T hash 2 hours 15 minutes. In this way we can enter, or we can enter like hours, minutes, seconds. We can enter in this way: S5T hash 1 hour underscore 12 minutes underscore 8 seconds. That means 1 hour 12 minutes 18 seconds. So here is total 3 formats. You can use any one format to enter the timing. For example, if you want to use S5 time hash for the 1 hour 12 minutes 18 seconds, you can enter in this format or this format. So any one format you can use to enter the time value, and you can enter maximum 9990 seconds or 2 hours 46 minutes 30 seconds. This is the maximum value you can enter in the timing. You can use a maximum 256 timers. For example, here is my S pulse timer. So here is S means your input, start input. When you give signal, start signal, your timer will start. Here is the reset. This is for reset and this is for start signal. This is your time value. You can enter what is your timer time value. For example, 10 seconds, 15 seconds, 1 hour, 2 hours. You can enter in this format. This is your timer syntax. You can enter any one format. And Q is your output. I is your what is the remaining timing. For example, if you enter here 10 seconds, what is your remaining timing after you start your timer? After, if you give 10 seconds, after 5 seconds, that means here remaining is 5 seconds, so it will display in the integer format, that is 5 seconds. And the remaining timing is, again, it will display here in the BCD format. Both are same. It is here is integer format and here is BCD format. That is only different. The remaining time only it will display. This is your output. This T5 is your timer address. For example, if you are using multiple timers, you can use T0 is your first timer, T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, up to you can use 256 timers in S7 PLC. Now we will see in the programming how to use these timers. On left side you can see option timers. There is total 5 block timers and 5 coil timers. See, each one we will see block timers and coil timers both are working principally same. So that's why we will see first S pulse and S pulse coil both are working, will be working is same. So we will see block and coil together how this one work both. In block timer, S means your start signal as we discussed previously, and this is your timer value TV. You can enter here your syntax S5T hash, your timing 10 seconds or 1 hour 1H or milliseconds. You can enter 10 milliseconds means 100 milliseconds means 100 ms, and this is your reset. If you want to reset your timer, you can use reset signal. BI is your remaining timing. What is your remaining timing from out of 10 seconds? When you give the start signal after 5 seconds, what is the remaining timing? It will display here in BI, that is remaining timing, and same remaining timing it will display in the form of BCD format. So both are same. If this is integer format, this is in BCD format, just to use in your program where you want to use in the BCD format or integer format, you can use. This is your output. When timer starts, your output will be enabled as pulse. T1 is my timer address, S5T hash 10 seconds, that is my timer value. And when there is no output here for coil, so to turn on the output, you can use directly timer address T1 for the coil. Then you can use here T1 will be your, when T1 will be high, the output will be also high. Let's see these two timers in program. What's mean S pulse? S pulse is as soon as when you give the start signal, it will active the output for 10 seconds. Both timers are working as same principle. Even S pulse coil, it requires continuous input signal. If input signal lost, the output will be off and the timer will start from again freshly from starting. When I give input, both timers started. C is the remaining timing. The output is on. Output is on. If I lost the signal before the timing finished, so still I have 2 seconds 300 milliseconds, 2 seconds 300 milliseconds remaining. But when I give input signal again, it will start from 10 seconds. See here, that is S pulse. When you give pulse, the timer will start. The time when timing is finished, the output will be off even your input is on. So if you lost a signal before the timing finished, you give again input signal, it will start from again starting. These are the S pulse block timer and S pulse coil. Thank you for watching. See you in next video. Board.